Agnipath scheme is a transformational reform for the Army and the nation and aims to bring a paradigm change in the human resource management of the Indian Army. The scheme, one of the most significant initiatives, aims to make the Army a future-ready fighting force capable of meeting multiple challenges across the full spectrum of conflict. इस योजना को सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ विस्तृत विचार विमर्श और चर्चा के बाद अंतिम रूप दिया गया है. This effort complements other ongoing initiatives to transform the Indian Army into a modern, technology-driven, Atmanirbhar and a battle-worthy force. Some of the notable benefits of the scheme from the Indian Army point of view are, firstly, an enhanced youth pool profile, as was mentioned earlier, that is reduction of average age from 32 to 26 to be achieved over a period of time. Secondly, increase in the technical threshold of the Army by recruiting Agniveers through ITIs and other technical institutes by harnessing their potential. The scheme, we believe, will attract young talent and motivated youth with the right skill sets to join the Army. It will also result in increased availability of medically and physically fit personnel at the cutting edge level of field units. It will also ensure better utilization of recruit training period, resulting in enhanced availability of soldiers to the field army. It will also help us in maintaining an optimum balance between the youth and experience. A wider recruitment base will provide equal opportunities to youth from all parts of the country to join the Army. The screening and selection, based on a sound, fair, transparent, and a robust assessment system, will ensure that the Army retains the best of the best for a longer serving duration, and these personnel will form the core of our organization. The Agniveer, leaving after 4 years, will be empowered with suitable skills and financial means and carry a unique resume, as was alluded to earlier, that will significantly enhance his value and employability in the civil society. The new process heralds a paradigm shift in our recruitment process and will necessitate changes in the way we impart training to our recruits and soldiers in enhancing their combat potential. मैं सभी को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ कि रिक्रूट्स के लिए लागू मिनिमम फिजिकल, मेडिकल और प्रोफेशनल पैरामीटर्स को सुनिश्चित करने के लिए हमारे द्वारा अपनाए गए मापदंडों पर कोई समझौता नहीं किया जाएगा. We will institute a fair, transparent and scientific method in screening the initial intake for 4 years and apply similar yardsticks to select those who will get enrolled. मैं इस बात पर भी जोर देना चाहता हूँ कि थल सेना अपने गौरवशाली विरासत, इतिहास, परंपरा, सैनिक मूल्यों और संस्कृति, जो कि कोहेसिवनेस, कामरेडरी, एस्पिरिट डेकोर और नाम, नमक और निशान के मूलभूत सिद्धांतों पर आधारित है, को पूरी तरह बरकरार रखेगी. अग्निवीरों को आर्मी में हर तरह से एसिमिलेट और इंटीग्रेट किया जाएगा और वो यूनिट्स, हेडक्वार्टर्स और एस्टैब्लिशमेंट्स दोनों ऑपरेशनल और नॉन ऑपरेशनल एरियाज़ में भारतीय सेना के विभिन्न अंगों यानी कि अलग अलग आर्म्स और सर्विसेज में तैनात किए जाएंगे. I want to assure you that during the implementation and stabilization phase of the Agnipath scheme, the Army's operational capabilities and preparedness along the borders and that ability to deal with internal security challenges will be fully maintained. At the end, I wish to say that we are confident that this change will bring in new vigor and confidence in the Indian Army and make it stronger, more capable, and in stride with the future. Jai Hind and thank you.